Welcome to the video of data communication and computer networks. Data communication refers to the transmission of digital data between two or more computers, while a computer network is a communication network that allows computers to exchange data. We can say that the well-known computer network is the Internet. So, what do you mean by data communication? We can define data communication as the exchange of data between two or more computers. When we communicate, we share information. Two types of share are available: local and remote. Face to face communication occurs in local communication, while over distant communication occurs in remote communications. Let us move on to the components of data communication. A data communication system has 5 components. First, the sender. The device that sends the data message is called a sender. For example, a computer, television, workstation, etc. The device that receives the data message is called the receiver. This can be also a computer, television, workstation, etc. Message is the data or the information to be communicated. This can be a number, text, audio, video, and images. Now, the transmission medium. The physical path by which the message or data travels from the sender to the receiver is called as transmission medium. Coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, and fiber optic cable are some of the examples of transmission medium. Protocol. It's a set of rules that governs the data communication, or we can say that it's an agreement between the communication devices. Without these rules, the two devices cannot communicate with each other. They can only connect. Now let us learn about how we represent the data. Text, number, images, audio, and video are different forms of data information. In text, a sequence of bits, zeros and ones, are used to represent the text as a bit pattern. There are different sets of bit patterns to represent the text symbols. Each set is called as code, and the process of representing the symbol is called as coding. Numbers. Numbers are also represented by bit patterns. Here the number is directly converted to binary number to simplify the mathematical operations. In images, bit patterns are used to represent the images. An image consists of matrix of pixels, where each pixel is a small dot. The size of the pixel depends on the resolution. After the image is divided into pixels, each pixel is assigned to a bit pattern. The size and value of the pattern depends on the image. The recording or broadcasting of a picture or movie is called a video. It can be either produced as a grouping of images, each a discrete entry, arranged to convey the idea of motion, or as a continuous entry. We can also change the video to a digital or analog signal. Now, the communication between two devices can be classified as simplex, half duplex, and full duplex. In simplex mode, the communication occurs only in one direction. Out of two devices, only one can transmit at a time, and the other receives only. For example, a keyboard can only be used to enter the input, while a monitor can only receive the output. In half-duplex mode, both stations can transmit and receive, but not at the same time. When a device is sending the data, the other can only receive, and vice versa. This mode is used in cases where there is no need for data transfer in both directions at the same time. The entire channel capacity can be used only for one direction at a time. In full duplex mode, both stations can transmit and receive at the same time. This mode is used when communication in both directions is required all the time. The capacity of the channel must be divided between the two directions. What is computer networks? A set of device like a computer, printer, or any other device capable of sending and receiving the data connected through communication link is called as computer networks. The links connecting the devices are known as communication channel. These networks use distributed process in which the job is divided among several computers. Instead of a single computer handling a complete task, each separate computer handles a subset. A certain number of criteria should be met by the network. The most important criteria are performance, reliability, and security. The performance of a network depends on several factors like number of users, transmission medium type, hardware capability, and the efficiency of the software. We can measure the performance in several ways, including transit time and response time. The amount of time required for a message to travel from the device to another device is called transit time, while response time is the elapsed time between an inquiry and a response. In reliability, the frequency of a failure, the recovery time of a network after a failure, and the network's robustness are used to measure the network reliability. The security of information is a top priority because as the data travels from one device to another, it can be changed or stolen. So we protect the data from unauthorized access and viruses. Type of connections. There are two possible types of connection. First one is the point-to-point connection. In this connection, a dedicated link is provided between two devices. The full capacity of the link is held in reserve for the transmission between those two devices. In this type of connection, mostly we use an actual length of wire or cable to connect the two devices, and also we have many other options like microwave or satellite links. The second one is the multi-point connection. In this type of connection, more than two specific devices share a single link. The capacity of the channel is shared either spatially or temporally. If many devices can use the link simultaneously, it is a spatially shared connection. And if the user must take turns, it is called as time-shared connection. Now let us learn about the major components of the computer networks. Network interface card. It is a device that helps a computer to communicate with another device. This card contains information about the hardware address. The data link protocol uses this address to find the system on the network so that it transfers the data to the correct endpoint. It is divided into two types, that is wireless and wired. Hub. It is a central device that divides the network connection into multiple devices. When a computer requests data, it sends the request to the hub. Hub issues this request to all the interconnected computers. Switches is a networking device that groups all the devices over the network to transfer the data to another device. A switch is better than a hub as it does not broadcast the message over the network. So we can say that the switch sends the data directly from the starting point to the end point. Modem. This connects the computer to the internet over the existing telephone line. Router is a device that connects the LAN to the internet. The router is used to connect different networks or connect the internet to the multiple computers. Cable and connectors. The transmission medium that transmit the communication signal is called cables. There are three types of cables: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. Twisted pair cable is the high-speed cable that transmits the data, while coaxial cable is more expensive than the twisted pair cable as it provides a high data transmission speed. Fiber optic cable. It is the high-speed cable that transmits the data. It is more expensive as compared to the other cables. Uses of computer networks. There are many uses of computer networks. Some of them are explained here. Communication medium. Computer networks are used among different users as a communication medium. For example, email, Video conferencings are generally used by the employees of the company for communication purpose. Resource sharing. All the resources like printers, scanners, modem, program and data can be shared by all the systems in computer networks. Server-client model. Computer networking is used as a server-client model. Here the server is the master system that is used to store the information and is maintained by the system administrator. The client is used to access the information stored in the server remotely. E-commerce. Computer network is also used in the field of business. The internet platform is used for business. Example, Amazon, Flipkart, etc. are also doing their business over the internet. Thank you for watching the video. For more details, please visit our website or mail to us.